12 days, endless adventures, and unforgettable vibes. Welcome to my ultimate Jamaican journey, from beaches to food, culture to family. Here's everything I did in just under 2 weeks on the island.
Well, it's currently 3:40 and we are on our way to Jamaica.
Really yardy vibes, is it? Yeah, man. So, like she said, 3:40 right now, and we're gonna be in Montego Bay, 7 o'clock in the morning. And trust me, I can't wait because I'm excited to try some real Jamaican food right now. You know, not the foreign Jamaican food, but the real authentic thing. Yeah, man. So, I'm making see what I go on, is it?
So after heading home, I went straight to the backyard and picked some fresh June plums, sweet, tangy, and straight off the tree. Can't get more authentic than that.
Passion fruit. See that? First day, you know. First day on the island. And look there. We get passion fruit and June plum already. Yeah, man. We have a whole lot more in our tree. Most of them not ripe yet still, but you know, the green one ain't good with salt and pepper and them thing there. Yeah, man. So our next one, yeah, we'll deal with it right now.
For the next 2 nights, we checked into Travelers Beach Resort in Negril. Waking up by the ocean, nothing beat that vibes.
Alright, y'all, so we're inside of the cabin. This is the bedroom, right? So it's like a studio style type of apartment cabin. This is a nice, first of all, I just want to say everything is super clean, guys. The bed, the kitchen, bathroom, everything is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. So they have the lighting fixtures on both ends. You have a nice little window thingy, like a window screen right here. We have a nice little arch, you know, just to make the room pop a little bit. We have the curtains, you know, the TV. Let's go to the bathroom. All right, so this is the window. That's pretty stylish. That's like a dive-in type of boat style, oceans type of window. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is super clean, guys.
Yes, guys, as you can see, the room is perfect. It's nice and clean. You know, we got a little bit hungry, so now we're just heading over by the restaurant by the beach, and then we're gonna eat some food, drink some drinks, and just have a good time.
Yes, guys, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Another day in the life of a personal chef, the best chef in Orlando. Yeah, man, so we're at Travelers Beach Resort in Negril, Jamaica, and we are check out them fry plantain right now. We are check out them quesadilla, chicken quesadilla. We are check out them fish sticks, you know, fish wrap, the coconut chip. We are check out everything right now. Yes, me I say. Yeah, man. So right now, me I start off with the what's it? Say plantain look nice, right plantain, you know. Not normal. So we'll try out the wrap right now. This is some sour cream. I dip my quesadilla in the sour cream. This is a jerk chicken quesadilla, guys. So I'm gonna let you know how the jerk chicken quesadilla is. You know, and if you're ever in Negril, Jamaica, you can come check out Travelers Beach Resort restaurant. You see me I say? My God.
Good.
Wow. You know, say, last night, me and my wife I talked about scotch bonnet pepper in America, in Florida, and we said, for some reason, it kind of tastes weird. It's not the same flavor, not the same spice level, you know? And after my first bite from this right now, I can tell you guys, the scotch bonnet pepper in Florida and America are not normal. It's a foolishness. This right here, the scotch bonnet in this, the jerk, all of the seasoning them combined together is on a different level, another level. So I'm gonna take one more bite and then make a know what I go on if it's, you know, a hit or a pass. Alright, is me I say? Jaja. When you hear that cocktail, 5 o'clock. So, this is nothing normal, guys. It's amazing.
Waking up in Negril and having breakfast right by the beach is like a breath of fresh air. You know, the sound of the waves, the ocean breeze, and a full Jamaican breakfast with curry chicken, you know, dumplings, boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, you know, some yellow yam and banana on the side. You know, every bite was cooked to perfection. The chicken was full of flavor, guys, and the dumpling soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. You know, the yam and bananas just right. Honestly, it doesn't get any better than this. And what I really love about this breakfast is how it's not just food, it's an experience. You're actually tasting Jamaica on a plate. So how was breakfast this morning?
Breakfast was delicious.
Yeah?
Again, fresh ingredients, healthier options. I had a small bowl of oatmeal porridge. It was just so good.
Yeah.
And then I had a loaded omelette with ham, bacon, bell peppers and onions and cheese.
Yeah.
That was so good, and it came with 2 mini pancakes. I only had one of the pancakes.
Yeah.
But everything was so good. The plate was well put together, and it was not expensive. So don't feel that every time you go to a hotel to eat, the food is gonna be expensive. It's not much different from if you go to a cook shop out
yeah.
on the streets.
Yeah.
You know. But everything was delicious.
Yeah.
Can't complain. And guess what? There's a plus side to everything.
What's the plus?
We're sitting on a deck, like what?
Maybe
Like what?
10 yards away from the beach?
Yeah, right from the ocean.
Yeah.
Yep.
So literally right on the beach, basically.
Yep.
When you hear that, guys, can't complain. You know, I had the curry chicken with some boiled banana, fried plantain, yellow yam, and some dumpling and fried dumpling. And let me tell you guys, like she said, everything is fresh, freshly prepared. You know, fresh ingredients. Everything was delicious. You know, can't complain. And like she said, there's a plus, you know, side to everything. You know, everything is like, there's no such thing as perfect, but to me this was the perfect, you know, perfect spot. You understand? So after we leave here today, we're probably gonna get something to eat. We're gonna head to the grocery store, grab a few items, and then we might go home and cook, and then I'll record that for you guys and let y'all see what we're doing and all that good stuff. All right, so see you in a bit. Yes, D'Angelo. So what we're coming up for D'Angelo? Rice. Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, guys. So we'll get some rice and some seasoning and a few other things, and then we'll head to the house and cook some food. That's it. So let's keep watching and see what's going. Yes, guys. So this is what's going on right now. We have some gunga rice and peas with some curry chicken, some steamed sliced fish on the side. Is me I say? Yeah, I wanted to show y'all the whole entire cooking process, but trust me, I was not in the mood to do like an actual recording, and the lighting wasn't so perfect. So yeah, man, with that being said, this is the finished product, you know, and that's that. So right about now, we're headed to Best in the West. We'll get some fish, get some jerk chicken. I don't know if they have pork, because you know pork is like a seasonal thing, type of entree. Yeah, so we go depend upon the jerk chicken, we'll lean towards that way, and some fish, maybe if escovitch or whatever, I don't know yet. I don't know what prime time land I deal with right now, if you can go get the escovitch fish or you can go get the roast fish way or what. But I know I get some jerk chicken for myself, you see me I say? So when we get there, we'll make the swag one, and that's that. Yeah. Yes. So I started off with their kong soup, and let me tell you guys, it was really good, rich, spicy, and full of that real Jamaican taste. But the real star of the show here is their roast pork, mouth-watering, spicy, and packed with a bunch of flavor. And when you add their signature jerk spicy sauce on top, that's next level stuff, guys. Spicy, but it's a good spice. So if you're ever in the Negril area, Best in the West is a must try, guys. The vibes are local, the food is authentic, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Yes, people, Another day in paradise, you know. So this morning we go chop some banana and try to find some pineapple. You see it, so we're gonna make them know what I go on. Yeah man, so you know the grass slippery in the morning, you know, cause drew water the pan. You see it. Yes guys, so we have what's a mango tree for days, you know. Fever grass. Everything we have done is go on, you know. Coconut tree. Banana tree. Whoa. Whoa. You see how the banana tree loaded? What's it? Fully loaded. I'm making a seat. I'm gonna see the banana tree up close. Look at this guys. You see that? Banana, that's about 15 fingers, you know. 15 Hana banana there, so what's it? Oh my god. Only in Jamaica you find them thing, you know, the luxury. You see it? Watch out. We have coconut here, you know, people. Coconut. I'm gonna drink one right now. Hold on the people. Hold on there. Red ants. So we have to be careful, you know. Red ants and bees. Bees and ants are always in a coconut tree, you know, for some reason. Bees and red ants. Alright, see it there? See it there? Right, that's all. Alright, go for that right now. Drink a coconut water in the morning, people. Alright. See it, yeah? Coconut water in the morning. Oh! At the right place, man, but right in front of the banana.
You came the wrong route, bro.
Well, follow fashion monkey.
I used to come from that side. I don't come from this side.
Nobody ain't forced to follow me, you know.
Now you got all the talk.
Watch out. Fresh coconut and wash off the heart in the morning. People. Oh. Wow. So refreshing, guys. Whew. Nice and refreshing, man. Nothing like a fresh coconut off of the tree. First thing in the morning. You see me I say? Bright and early. It don't get better than this. You know, we in the hills of Jamaica, Hanover. Yeah. Real authentic yardman style.
And I got my crossing sport mode.
Yes, guys. So I'm on prime time Lando in my place this morning. You see it and carry him up there, so.
Look at this, y'all.
Yeah, man.
Show y'all. This is
Real.
my backyard behind my house.
Real deal, you know?
Y'all want some banana? My dad planted all this, not me.
Mm-hmm.
But either way, look at that. Coconut. It's the backyard. If you know, you know. Another coconut tree. Ooh, another banana. Ooh, you know. Let me show y'all something. Some of y'all ain't gonna know. Some of y'all ain't gonna know. All that right there, that's not just bush. That's yams.
Whew.
Them yams, baby.
Jaja.
Another banana.
That was good.
Another banana.
That was nice, guys.
Coconut.
Alright, so we'll cut 2 more coconut, guys. To carry him. And for Lando. See there? That's one. That's one right there. Hey, a beer red ants upon the tree, you know. Yeah. Man, them bite you, find out. That's one right there. Whew.
What? You got them hands too.
Come on. Let it slide down. Yes, guys, welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna do a little review upon them fried chicken here from Beer Nyamins in a Copperhood, Lucy, Hanover, yeah, Jamaica. Real deal. I've for the past couple of days, you know, this is where
you know, we've been going for lunch. So trust me, that should tell you the rest of the story. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna try out the fresh veg. I'm making a know what going. Yummy. Nice and fresh, guys. You know, freshly made from scratch. So the shredded carrot and cabbage, I'm gonna give that 10 out of 10. Yes, may I say? It's that good. And they also shredded some cucumber on the inside, same way. Rice and peas. I'm making know what's going on with the rice and peas right about now. I'm gonna take a couple more, you know, bite of it and then make a know what's going on. Rice and peas, guys. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's 10 out of 10. So, with that being said, we're going to move on to the fried chicken. We're not wasting no time today. We're not doing a long video. Straight to the point. Wow. This is so good, guys. No. I'm gonna rate the chicken, the fried chicken, you know, on a scale of 1 to 10, based on the flavor and based on the crispiness. All right. So based on the crispiness, guys, I'm gonna say about a 9 out of 10. And I think I would have given them a 10 out of 10 if they didn't add the little sauce on top. But besides that, I would say a 10 out of 10 besides that. But I'm gonna go with 9 based on the little gravy what they add upon it. But when it comes to flavor, 10 times 10 times 10 out of 10. Trust me. The fried chicken. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't even get a chance to do a review on their conch. They had brown stew conch and also curry conch. I had the curry conch yesterday for dinner with some fried chicken, and the day before that I had the brown stew conch. Yes, me I say, and that for sure you say them food good. Cause if I keep going back day after day after day, they must be doing something right, guys. Trust me, the food is definitely on point. You need to check them out. They're located in a Copperwood, Hanover. You know, if you're from the Hanover area, Lucy area, you'll know where Copperwood is. You know, and the name of the restaurant is Beer Nyamins. May I tell you, them food wicked.
2,000 years later.
When you hear Bada in Jamaica, you don't just think about a place, you think about food, culture, and vibes. From fried fish and bami to pepper shrimp and cold drinks, Bada St. Elizabeth is more than a stop on the roadside. It's a legendary food destination that's been serving locals and travelers for decades. Yeah, man, so today, guys, I'll be taking you on a journey with me on the south coast to try some of the best seafood in Jamaica. Let's go.
Watch your patrol here.
Yes, guys, so we finally pulled up to the spot. Yes, may I say? Right now we're about to drink some soup and eat some fried fish. Yes, may I say? Yeah, man, and then we're going to move on to the next stop. Yes, so I'm going to make you see what I go on.
I'm about to cross now, you know.
Yes, guys, so as soon as we pulled up to Bada, we got some cup soup, some conch soup, and let me tell you, it was everything. It was flavorful, packed with a lot of spice, you know, the scotch bonnet, everything in it turn up. Yes, me I say? Yeah, man, definitely I must try.
You want soup?
We want conch shrimp. Let me get soup. Alright. May take a conch soup, $300 one. Yeah. For the food.
Good, but I'm not ready for drink here.
Yeah. Yo.
People, the food, the soup hot right now, you know. Hot. You have to make it cool down a little bit. You see it? Yeah, man. The food. There, I try the fish right now. See it there? Fried parrot, you know, escovitch style. Everything plug in, not plug out.
We say about our seafood place. So, I mean, seafood we eat today.
But just for the experience, you know. Just put my hand check out space and, you know.
Yeah. So we ain't seafood here.
I'm a Rasta.
We are pork in here.
I say a coconut soup.
We are come back if we want. Might
Yeah.
come back.
I tell her the conch another one of guys. Wicked conch soup. Yeah, man. Which part of the people they can't find it when they come by? Right here, so. This is the boss will take care of the conch soup and the fish soup, fish steak. You know? Wicked, man. No flavor in it. You see it, people, so. Right there, so. Bada. You see it?
It's a festival, man.
Yeah?
Break a little piece. I gotta change everything, man.
Oh, that your card? Okay.
You out here from 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning time with the soup.
Yeah, man, so.
It's a bambi
Tasty bammy spot right there, so.
by Erica.
By Erica. You see it? Scott Cove Border, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland. So if you need bammy fish and all them something, soup, you know, should we take care of them? Yeah, man, that's our word.
Sprat, then call it soup.
The soup man named Sprat.
Sprat. Alright, the soup man, just ask the Sprat. You see it? And we deal with the phone. You see it? Festival wicked.
You just add us up.
Yeah, man, he might bring someone.
Just go up on this 20.
Good morning. Yes, people, so like I said, the conch soup, the fried fish, the bammy, everything what I try so far is a whole vibe, whole experience. So just go and stay tuned, go and watch the video. I will make you know what I go on. Is it? Yeah. You have any pepper shrimp? Like the shrimp? Okay. How much for that?
Actual shrimp next show.
You have any $500 bag? Like a small bag?
The shrimp one, them.
Yeah, shrimp one.
600.
600, okay. We have $500 church spot. Hold on. You have any change for me? You have change for him?
God will bless him, man. Give me $500 and let's go.
You have like $100 or $200?
Yes, give him the $500. Let's go.
Hold on.
God double can get the $100 somewhere somehow.
Yeah, I just want to sue. Come here, come back.
Okay.
$500 good. Thank you very much, miss. Alright. Yeah, man. Thank you. Alright, we will.
God bless you. Yes, I hope you sell off today. You'll make the money.
Oh God. Weed, what they gonna do it out here? What they gonna do it out here? Another. Yeah, come take this road again.
Yeah, you remember?
This a boy.
Yes.
When they go?
I'm gonna be here when I go back.
Oh, easy, man, easy. Easy, man.
You can't take the intern up by wall up there already in a weed.
Come here. No, I can't see. Easy. I know what I do, man.
Right, stop.
Easy, man. Easy.
Nope.
How much time you get last night? Just to say that.
Twice. And the turn right, man. We go to the middle one.
I mean, when the wind they go.
That's how you go, man. That's how you go.
It's like a roundabout, you know.
It is.
But they have one in the middle and one to keep left. Pretty straight.
As we on a tour of Jamaica, we toured the whole Jamaica.
Come down on the car. Back.
So easy, man. I work
Come on,
Come on, Lando. Yeah, man, so we stop on the roadside in Allen Bamboo to get some coconut. Yeah, so we go quench with thirst a little bit. You see me, I say? What's part with the bamboo vibes? Yeah. Jelly, coconut and more. Yes. Them have everything I sell to you, know. Red peas, they have drops and all them, something nuts. Yeah. Once you see the beautiful smile, you can't miss the spot. You see it, so. Yeah. Yeah. Coconut for days. Yeah. Where's the Karim? Outside. Alright. Yeah, man, so we just pull off on the roadside and yeah, we hydrate the body with a good old jelly. Coconut jelly, yes me I say? Yeah, so that. So later on when we reach other place there, and we see what go on here.
When you think about food by the seaside, this spot in St. Elizabeth always comes up. Little Ochi. Fresh seafood vibes on the water and a taste that keeps people coming back. So today, I made a quick trip down to Little Ochi in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and you already know, guys, the food and the vibes go hand in hand here, you know. From the moment I pulled up, I could smell that Scotch bonnet pepper, you know, the seasoning on the fish, the seafood, you know, fried fish in the air. Everything was smelling good. Yeah, man, so as we walked in, guys, they greeted us with some free samplers, you know, some fried crab, some escovitch saltfish fritters, festival, a little bit of everything, some, you know, the traditional Jamaican finger food.
Yes, guys, so we're there by a little Ochi and we are waiting for our food. We had about 6 big size snapper. I don't know if a yellowtail or what, but some snapper them, and I tell her they're looking healthy right now. And we just there we play the waiting game. And while we're there and at the tent I wait, you know, one guy carry a bucket, one whole bucket load of lobster, over 40 lobster, you know. And the man say, yo, I don't want some lobster. And I say, yeah, I just want to know the price, you know. And that's the price I pre first. And he say, yo, I can get you for 15 grand. And I say, no man, that's too much. I don't want some lobster, just give me 2. And he throw 4 in my bucket. And I say, alright, you know. And then Jaden come in and say, alright, you know, come just do the whole thing. And him say, yo, the whole thing, he go give you the whole thing for 12 grand. 12 grand. Yo, in America, one whole lobster, almost $40, you know. You see me I say? This is a steal. Yeah, man. So, with that being said, guys, just continue to watch the video. I have to go do a lot of voiceover in another video because they have music playing in the background, same way I make, you know, YouTube work already. So.
Yeah, man, so me and my wife tried the jerk fish, guys, and let me tell you, it was cooked well, no doubt about it, but honestly, I felt it needed a little bit more seasoning, guys, and definitely more of that real, you know, jerk spice kick. I wasn't really fully tasting that bold jerk flavor I was looking for. Otherwise, it was still good, just not all the way there, you know. And then we had, we also tried the curry coconut fish, you know, which is snapper, you know, some curry snapper. Same thing here, it needed more flavor overall and a little extra curry. It was more on the coconut side, you know, versus the curry side. You know, I was barely tasting the curry, but it was okay, it was good otherwise. But it just felt like it could have gone a bit deeper with the seasoning and flavor upon it, you know. But overall, guys, everything was good. I love and enjoy the experience, you know, because we went there mainly for the experience, not just for the fish, you know, but everything was good otherwise. So big up Liquor Ochi same way, and definitely check them out, guys. Definitely check them out.
Yes, beautiful people, we are at the end of the video. We just finished, you know, consume the food, and we are waiting for everybody right now if we come in the car so we can, you know, leave out and head back to Hanover. You see me, I say? Let me tell you guys, the food was good. Food was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably say a 7.5, and that's based on my opinion. You would have to come and see for yourself and check it out, and you know, let us know what you think. So rain a fall now. Some hard rain a fall right now. What's it? Hard rain. What's it? Hard rain a fall, man. So this is like a little water catchment. When the rain fall, it come in a little tank there, and that's extra water where you can use to do a lot of stuff. Yeah, man. So we're there. Whew. Soap everybody here now, you know. Yes, people. Life is good, you know. No other way. Yeah, man, it's a Jamaican lifestyle moment. Yeah. Yeah, me have a little bucket outside when me see my people. Yeah. Feels so good. So good, guys. Woo. Water is not cold, just right. If you've never been in a rain, people, trust me, you need to try this. Something else.
The same foot bent up a while ago.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, today is just, well, a nice little beach day, you know, weather nice outside, sunny, Sunday, and we decided to go on a little beach trip with the family, you know. So that we are do today, and we go drink, eat, and just have a good time. You see me, I say? Yeah, we're outside. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna take a quick wash off in the water right now and just hold our vibes. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, guys, big up to all of my subscribers all over the world. Much love and appreciation. Is me, I say? Continue to watch the videos, like up the videos, share the videos, comment and subscribe. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Keep watching the vlog. Yes, people. Yes, people. Good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon. Why, pre, what go on? Yeah, man, so we don't know the things that already, you know. We'll go to bush, go look some fire sticks, you know, some firewood. Yeah, and then we go catch up the fire and start the cooking, because right now the stuff them kind of frozen, because when we buy the lobster them, we buy a whole bunch of lobster last night, some live one, but we had to put it on the ice just to make sure say it's good for the morning. Yeah, so we go catch a wood fire, light it up, do some brown stew chicken or something like that, and also some grilled lobster, maybe some fried fish or brown stew fish. I don't know exactly what we're going to do with it yet, but we're going to do something with it and make sure so you enjoy the whole cooking process. Is me, I say? So don't go nowhere, keep watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Yeah, we just look for the dry firewood them right now, because some of them might be a little bit damp, because rainfall yesterday, I think, but I'm going to get some right now. This look dry. Let's see if it's dry.
Down there.
Yeah, this look dry, man.
This is turmeric. Just saying, food all around. If you don't know, that's the chef right there, Keegan's Kitchen. Go check him out on YouTube. Big dog.
Dry wood this, you know?
Dry wood, that's perfect.
That's it, so we'll use some of the mango wood And also some lagwood and them thing there, whatever we can find.
Lagwood don't hold the fire.
Yeah, the lagwood have more, we call it now, solid thing in it, you know? Oh, yeah. And I think money to have some on their shop, you know.
So we'll use that too.
So we'll use that too and combine them with enough wood so it can last. You understand?
Fire can last.
Yeah, the man dry one. What else?
Road.
Road, we say, you know. Yes, guys, so we have enough firewood to catch the fire. Just to start it off. We're going to need some more still, you know. We're going to need more, but...
We need some 2 big stones.
Yeah. Because, you know, by the time you light this, it burn out.
Yeah, we're going to need more.
So we need more than this.
This is it, right.
So if we carry it up and come back.
Shout out to the cameraman.
Yeah. Big up on yourself. How this part we are cook up here, so?
Yeah.
Pan like a cliff.
Last time, come.
Woy! You know, see one heap of bush in the yard, one chop down. Right, this is a nice spot here. And shady.
Yeah.
No cow shit up here, some man.
Go see right there, sir.
Over there, sir. Well. Ah.
Fuck, side boy.
What's that? I say, man, chop, what you mean? Show them. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, a Tarzan. Yeah. Right now, guys, we have some fish, some grunt. We'll scale them up and then clean up the chicken them and put the lobster up on the grill and all them things there. You see it? Yeah, man. Everything plug in, nothing to plug out. Yeah. Right there, so. Yeah, man. That or that. You see it, guys. So, let me say, we'll scale them up, clean them up, and then once everything ready, we're making the see go on. You see it? Yeah, man. So we just go match up this real quick, the chicken. I might do it fry, I might do it stew. I don't know yet, but so add some all-purpose to it, you know. And then we go cut up some scotch bonnet pepper in it. You see it? So them pretty real scotch bonnet pepper, you know, people, what's it? Yeah. Yeah, me just go fry it and cook it down, you know? Fry and cook down. Them type of thing there. You see me I say? Fry and cook down in the place. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, man. Smells so good. So freaking good, guys. And you're not even done season up yet. So right now, I just have scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to look for some scallion real quick. Thyme or so I can find in our kitchen. If I can't find anything, I just I add to it and fry it and cook it down, and then we go add some water, some ketchup, some tomato, and make it go and simmer. You see it? Real outdoor style, bushman style, yardman style. Yeah. We just work with what we have right now. See it there? See it there, people? Yeah, man. Real deal. All right. So I'm going to clean up my hand real quick and then forward back into the place. And I'll see you in a bit. Keep watching. Yeah, man. So today, we are going to scale up them fish. Some small grunt still we get last night at the store, you know, supermarket. So we'll deal with some, whether you want it brunch. You want it brunch too? Or you want, I know you don't want no fry fish. Because that's just too bland. Or you want it fried. We can't fry it, not true? Deep fry. All right. All right. Deep fry, you know? Or we can curry them. I'll be a curry me I eat for a week, you know? Curry chicken, curry fish, meat curry fish on Sunday dinner. That's it. With some curry chicken, so. I don't mind still. I don't mind the curry or brown stew, whichever one. Yeah. So we'll deal with that and we'll do some grill roast lobster, Jamaican style, yardman style. Ah. You see it? Not normal. You see me I say?
Yeah, me, man.
Yeah. And we have about 12 chicken there, somewhere around the place. Yeah, we have about three pounds of chicken we have. I don't know a whole bunch of chicken because it's not a lot of us and we just do it for content purposes and also a little lunch / breakfast in our belly, you know? And stomach. Yeah, so. That's that way I deal with. You see me I say? Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, that's that way I deal with people. The man a complain already saying hungry. Prime time land say, yo, hungry dog. Yeah, man. That's how I go still. Hey, me eat my breakfast early morning time still, no? Early morning time, people. But I'm hungry right now, man, but, you know, we have to put in the work right now still. Scale the fish to me about 10 left. The scale them kind of fine, so yeah, take a little bit longer to come off than expected. After we wash them off, guy, we'll just wash them off with some vinegar, you know?
Yeah, big Aki.
Boss, go look for Aki.
You know, so we could have cooked some Aki too, but we have time for this. Can't climb a tree, you know.
Hey, and like before, you know, when you were young, you know, you're heavier now.
Yo, me young.
So you know, want to go past some limb and you go broke with you. You see it? Eh?
Yo.
No, in a cook no food. So Lagwood down there, you know. Lagwood hood there right down the road, so.
Hey, people, it's been a while.
Yeah, man.
We're bringing it back, though. We're bringing it back.
Bringing it back, you know. This is the old school outdoor cooking, you know. Jamaican tradition, man. You know, back in the days, you grew up eating off a wood fire and them thing there. You know, we had to look at one firewood and all them something the people.
Like
you know, so all this stuff right now is second nature to us, you know. You see me I say, carry the flour, come! Yeah, man, so we're going to add some kerosene oil to it, guys. Just to speed up the lighting process of this whole thing. See it, you know. That's the thing in the light, is it? You know, blaze like that type of thing, man. Yeah, and I say blaze. Yeah, people, so more fire right now, you see it?
You buy about you all of them?
Yes, people, so right about now, we'll season up the fish, them, you know? Season up the fish. Then we're going to bust the lobster tail them in a two. Well, the whole lobster, them, and clean them up and thing, and, you know? Quick and fast. Make them see what I go on there, Andrew. Season it up just like that, you know? And you know, see if you add in the scotch bonnet, them, you know? You can't just leave it blank like that. Add in the scotch to them, same way. You know them style there. Got some green onion, scallion. You see it? Add in a little bit more. Let's put the tomato them around go. Drop them in it. Add in a little curry, you know. When you do curry, you add curry. Don't be afraid to add the curry. You see it? So we just go and wait for the aisle, you know. Go and wait for the aisle. So we can put on the pot on the fire and start the whole cooking thing. Yeah, man. That go on pan, that go on. So we'll make that sit down for a little bit. Chicken ready, fish ready. I just the lobster then we will bust open right now. And everything ready. You see me I say? Come in with the island though.
Fresh too. Yep.
Fry and cook down, you know? Not too much oil tonight.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? And then for your fried fish.
2 pot one time, you know.
Whew.
Where's that chef? 2 pot one? No. You see them people hit hard?
It's a small pot land though.
I'll just talk to my viewers.
Quick and fast. Try back cooking with the pan, you know. Alright. Just gonna need some water upon this. Yeah, so just drop in some tomato in this, you know, guys. Really hard man cooking, you know. Outdoor cooking. Nothing fancy, nothing pretty. We just use all the ingredients that we have right now and drop them in it. Yeah man. Drop it in. Yeah, man, so we are adding some sugar, a little bit of water, and some browning mixed together, you know? Yeah. Bush cooking with the pan today, is it? Now the outdoor. We'll make that go and cook down, is it? And then we'll see what go on. Barely hot on one side. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to cook steamy down. Just to speed it up. Still need more water. I can't bother at the back off.
Where you get the water in our kitchen?
Oh, so us land there coming more water there, yeah. Drop in some seasoning. You see it? Well seasoned, you know. Add some black pepper in it same way. I don't want to touch it with my hand because there's some spike pan, you know. I don't want to cut me. Put some curry pan, you know. You know, it's a curry nice pan, everything. Just like that. Not too much. Not too much, you know. Mix them up again, same way. Yeah, man, so we are cut up some scallion, see me guys. Scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper. You know, for the fried lobster. Yeah, man, so we just go put some oil in the pot, get it super hot, and then we will drop in all of them here inside it with a little water and everything, you know. Make sure it's nicely seasoned, well pepper. Yeah, man. Cool and nice, that's all. Cool shade. Alright, them a ball say. Then say no add no more pepper to it. Hey, hey. Oi, trouble. The Andra. You can't eat it, that's all. Yes, people, we just get the oil ready, season up and everything, you know? Yeah. Fire blaze right now, that me like. Get it a little bit hotter and then we drop in everything same way. Yeah, man, that's how we are deal with it today. The breeze coming in the right time, you know? The right time.
But the deep fried is good lobster. I don't eat lobster, but hey, they gonna eat it. It's not deep fried.
Not deep fried, but you know,
fried.
little
fry curry cook done. Or fry and cook done. Cause time I catch up on we, so we don't bother grill them or anything like that. We just go cook them down, you know? No, and drop. Yeah, no, and drop, man.
Alright.
Let them go on cook, you know? Yeah, me now make it turn over, you know, people? Can't afford to make this expensive crustacean get away. You know what I'm saying?
Right, this thing fall over.
Oh yeah, we're still gonna eat it. Yeah, man. So we're gonna make it go on.
That's it, we ready to eat. Pollo.
No man, you gotta build it one juice, you know.
Yeah.
No more water right now. I'm in Jamaica, guys. Where are you? Panama, Canada, UK. Me I eat some lobster right about now, you know, some spicy fried curry lobster. Yes, you know, I find this no other where in the world, no other parts in the world, but Hanover, Jamaica, in my kitchen. Yeah. So make it go and cook, and then we'll see what go on. You know, lobster don't take any long time to cook, guys. So you see, after I start bubble up and wine like a spice, then everything nice. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. That's it. See that? Looking good now, right? Looking good, man. Change color, you know? Become translucent, right, you know? You know? See it there? Smelling good. Lock him down, you know, make him build his own sauce, own juice. You know what I mean? That's that. Yes, guys, so as you can see, the lobster tail them, the whole lobster them cook and ready to go, so we just go share it out on a plate and enjoy. As me I say, it's been crazy, super crazy hot today, guys. I can't even explain, but here.
Let me tell you about the food, guys. Like,
yeah, tell me about the food.
The food is unmatched. Like,
yeah.
You don't get this fresh ingredients in America. You know, everything from like even just a simple boiled dumpling or the festival. I had callaloo and ackee and saltfish this morning. And when I tell you that callaloo tastes so different and it was so delicious.
Yeah.
I mean, we get fresh callaloo at the store too.
Sometimes, yeah. It's not the
still
same.
Not the same.
Even the one in the can is not the same.
The one in the can is still not the same.
Yeah.
You know? Like, I don't know if it's, they say it's just water and callaloo, but obviously there must be some preservatives in there.
Yeah.
But the ackee was delicious. I can't say the ackee was any different, but
yeah, ackee is ackee for the most part. But it was good.
The callaloo was so good. So good. It's just a different flavor, and I haven't maybe had callaloo in
like that in a while, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't remember the last time I had callaloo, you know, guys.
Yeah.
I can't remember the last time I had callaloo in a Jamaica, to be honest, because it's been years. You know, we used to the easy thing with the can callaloo back home in America, so that's what we've been eating for the past years. And then sometimes when we do go to the Caribbean supermarket, we might look up if it's seasonal and find some callaloo sometime throughout the spring or the summertime during the hottest part of the year, right? But it's nothing like this. Like Deandra said, the callaloo she tried some callaloo and saltfish this morning, or callaloo with ackee and saltfish. I mean, I tell her, everything tastes nice, different. The yam, it never too dry, it never too soft, was just right, and it was sweet. And me tell her about the boiled dumpling them this morning. So boiled dumpling them people, yo, me guarantee, well, me not know what them did with it, but like it's because I'm a chef I pick up on certain things, certain flavor, right? So I'm telling you, what I'm telling you before you don't think I lie, I tell you, there's a Scotch bonnet pepper. That's a vital ingredient in an authentic Jamaican food, Jamaican cooking. If you don't have the Scotch bonnet pepper, guys, your food is not going to be the same. It seems like they drop the Scotch bonnet pepper in the water when they boil with the banana and the boiled dumpling, the yam and all them something there. So it's when I cut the dumpling this morning in brown stew gravy, I'm going to cut the dumpling and try it. Yo, man, I tell you now, it was out of this world, guys. Like, I tasted some spice, you know, sweetness, everything in one. Like, I was like, what the hell is going on? Yo, the food good. Food was so good, guys, but I mean, I have nothing negative to say about this place, about Travelers Beach Resort in Negril, guys, because everything was excellent. The food was excellent. The customer service, you know, even when you just walked in, I mentioned this in the previous video, even when we just walked in, guys, you know, they greeted us like royalties and everything. So, and that's all I'm asking for, because customer service is key in any business, no matter who you are, where you are. If you're not providing good customer service, guys, and the food is good and everything else is good, yeah, I'm not gonna come back. You know, I'm not gonna go back to that establishment, because customer service to me is key, and that's that. Yeah, man. So the food was good. Food was great. What do you say? Awesome. Jaja, people. Me not lie to you. No. This is my second day in a Jamaica, and me not lie, Jamaica nice. Jamaica sweet. I don't want to go home. Don't want to go back home. Well, this is my home. You know, my first home is in Jamaica. This is my first home. So it's always gonna be nice. Always gonna be nice, guys. And to be honest, let me say, I'm not ready to go back home yet, even though we still have like over a week left. But me already know, so we have to go back home eventually. But I'm not ready for it. And I think long and hard. I say, matter of fact, I not think again, you know. Me already come to the conclusion, me and my wife, and we are say, yo, we go move back to Jamaica eventually. You know, we know eventually. We know when we're gonna do it. You know, we know when. We already talk about it and plan the date and all of them something there. I know what we need to do and what we're gonna do when we move back. So, you know, that's something to think about, guys, because when you think about it, in America is all nice and sweet and everything, opportunity and all that, but at the end of the day, a peace of mind is the best thing and the greatest thing. If you don't have a peace of mind, you're gonna be miserable for the rest of your life, not care how much money you make. You understand? So I think once you find something that you love doing, you know, and it make you happy, do it. But what makes us happy is being in Jamaica right now and in a Jamaica for the future, right? Yeah, man. So with that being said, what do you think about this, Deandra? What do you have to say about that?
Beautifully said.
Yeah. People tell us they're afraid of the camera, you know, but guess what? She gonna get used to the camera, because you don't know, say, we have the camera in our face. Yeah. But on a real though, what do you think about like moving back to Jamaica in the future and like,
I mean,
living in America right now? Like, we know America is the land of the opportunity and all that. So, what do you think?
Well, there's no place like home, and you can never ever compare America and Jamaica. Yes, you get the paycheck and everything in America, but you know, life is not the same. You know, life is like wonderful in Jamaica. You know, more simple, less bills, and you know, it's more peace in Jamaica, separate from like crime, but like your daily life at home and on the job and stuff, like, is more peace. And you know, everything, it all depends on the mindset too. You know, it depends on your mindset.
Yeah.
If you have survival instincts,
yeah,
and you have ambition, you can make it in either world. You know, but what do you want?
So do you think that a person or people can make life in Jamaica, can build a life in a Jamaica, like for example, they can start a business? Do you think that there's opportunities here and also growth for people to move up the ladder and all that something there? Like, what do you think about that?
Did you have a life in Jamaica before?
I was young, but yeah, I was living. You know, I was perfectly fine.
You're much older now. You have more opportunities.
More knowledge.
You're more knowledgeable and
Yeah.
everything. So, yeah. I believe like if you move back here, you're smart enough to like survive.
Yeah. Not even, no. I don't want to survive. I want to live. I'm gonna live.
Live and prosper.
Surviving is like you're grasping for air and you're like, I got to do this, I got to do that. You know,
That's
no.
true.
I want us to live and enjoy, you know, the fruits of our labor and everything.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Yes, guys. So,
how the water feel, by the way?
the water, guys,
warm.
it's no like,
lukewarm.
I think it's what, 6 p.m. Somewhere around that right now. And you can see the sunset behind us. You know, the background, guys. This is beautiful. The water, warm and nice, calm, relaxing. Yes, may I say? Let me take a look under the water right now for a second. I'm gonna see what I go on. No, I didn't see, but yes, guys. So y'all see what's going on underneath the water, bikini bottom. Yes, may I say? SpongeBob SquarePants, you know? Oh God. Yeah, man. But guys, Jamaica sweet, man, and I think anybody, once you have that strong mindset, guys, anybody right now can make it in a Jamaica, because there's opportunities here. But sometimes if you're in the wrong environment, you're not gonna see the opportunities that are in front of you. So you just have to have an open mindset and have a goal, have a dream, because every dream can become a reality, guys. So you just have to work hard, put your foot forward, and do the right thing. That's all me I say. But Jamaica sweet, Jamaica nice. Yes, me I say?
Yes, guys. So my Jamaica trip was amazing. It was fun. You know, had some sad moments. You know, but besides that, everything was, you know, fun filled. Can't complain. Like, I can't wait to go back, you know, and see family again, you know, and just enjoy some real authentic Jamaican food. Yes, man, I say? Yeah, man. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for liking, leaving your comments. You know, big up yourself, you know. Andre, always a comment. You see it. Prime Time Lando, big up on yourself. And all my subscribers that's always liking the video and sharing and leaving a 1 and 2 comment. Big up on yourself, same way. Big up everybody. Yeah, see you in the next video. And thank you for watching my Jamaican videos. Yeah, man. Peace.